Well, I don't really know what kind of video this is going to be. Just had to go to the post office, done a few chores. It's early still, I can't see what time it is. I think it's about 9:15 in the morning. It's a bit overcast, supposed to rain about 1 o'clock. I'm just thinking I'm going to go out and try and take some pictures. I'm going to go towards the coast. It's not very busy still in the town where I live, so I thought, you know, I'll go to the coast, might as well go get some sea air and have a look around there, because I think really what I'm looking for is some kind of moody looking shots with the grey sky, the grey clouds, and kind of hoping to get just the single person shots. So hopefully we'll get some of that. It's kind of, I don't know, it's one of those videos where I'm just going to bumble along, I think, you know, same as usual. And we'll see what type of pictures we can find. I thought I'd video it, but I don't know how long or how much longer I'm going to keep videoing, because I can remember when I started doing street photography, which was quite a long time ago, you know, I never did videos, and it feels like it's kind of a hindrance when you're trying to photograph and when you're trying to film and try and inform people what you're up to. Because, you know, while I'm rambling, I might as well just say thanks to everyone who has subscribed and who watches the channel, because I don't really teach anything on here, and I don't really do a lot of gear reviews or anything like that. It's just me going out, taking pictures. It's kind of just what I do and how I do it. And for people who have subscribed and who watch along, you know, I'm quite, you know, thanks for that, because I didn't really expect too many people to follow along, because like I said, I'm not really teaching anything, but maybe, I guess, if you see how someone else does it, and maybe you pick stuff up in that kind of way. You know, I've done a few videos on tips and things like that, but I do really just want to be out taking pictures. So maybe I'll just put a GoPro on my chest or something from now on and just shoot like that. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to get down the coast and see if we can find any images. And if it rains, all the better for the pictures, but I think I might get a little bit wet, but you know, anyway, I'll see you when we get there. I've never seen it quite as empty as this before. Okay. Yeah, pretty deserted. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Well, that just sums it up for the day as it started. Sometimes you just miss a shot. That guy there, he was further back there. There was a what would you call it? Like a bowling green and a fence. There was a little gap, and he was peering through the gap, and I missed it because I just got out of the car and just walked around the corner. So that just shows you really that the shots are there. You've got to be ready all the time. This has got to be the emptiest I have ever seen Cromer. So, and it is a weekday, and you know, I'll show you the sky. So I am trying to get, I don't know, I could get some good shots. So hopefully, if there's, I mean, there's people about, so hopefully I'll just get 1 or 2 people in a shot. I'm going to head down to the pier. That's if we can get on there, and see if there's anything worth taking down there. As typical, all the way up there they have benches all sitting up, and there was a guy up there, I don't think you can see him from down here, and he was leaning over, and I managed to get a shot, and I just used the back screen and literally slowed down walking, but didn't really stop, and took it because the sun has come out. I got quite a fast shutter speed, managed to get it, came out quite well, but as usual didn't have this camera working, did I? So you could see what I was up to. can see all the way down there. There's a couple of people down there, and I was just waiting for them to get on the sand to get their reflection. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way down there. There's some beach huts down there. We're going to take a walk all the way down there, see what we've got. Well, that was a good spot back there. I've never been up here before. I've only lived in Norfolk for like 40 years, and I've been to Cromer thousands of times, and I've never been up there and got any images up there before. So that's the place I'll be coming back to for sure. Oh, I'd like to get a shot of that guy over there. I don't know if I'll be able to though. Summer settings, I'm shooting the black and white simulation with a red filter, spot metering, and what I'm doing is I'm kind of spot metering kind of half on the sky to make sure I get all the clouds in, and then I'm locking that in with the exposure lock button, and then just recomposing, moving the focus point around to get the shot that I'm after. Also, the lens I'm using is the Fuji 35mm f2, and most of the stuff I'm shooting today is at f2. There's a few shots I made at 5.6, just where I wanted the background a bit more in focus. I've been walking around now for say the last 4 hours, and I've got to Sheringham. It's a smaller town, so there's nowhere near as many people, and it's raining quite hard at the moment, so I might call it a day today, and tomorrow I'm off to Norwich to meet up with someone, and hopefully there'll be a chance for a little bit of street. And what I'll do is I'll add this onto that to make a slightly longer video, and yeah. So next time you see me, it'll be tomorrow. See you later.